हे एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब। आई होप सब अच्छे होंगे। मैं एक बुक से आपको कुछ बातें बता रहा हूँ। रिलेशनशिप एंजाइटी और एंजाइटी कितने प्रकार की होती है। तो मैं एंजाइटी कितने प्रकार की होती है मैं इस टाइम बात करूँगा जनरलाइज्ड एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर के बारे में। यू विल बी एबल टू टेल समवन हैज जनरलाइज्ड एंजाइटी disorder when they are always anxious and worried. Their worries are intense as compared compared to when one is experiencing normal anxiety. It will be termed as generalized anxiety disorder when it starts interfering with their day-to-day activities. They will have many issues which make them worry and lose focus on all the other activities. People with generalized anxiety disorder normally focus more on the things that are failing than the success they make. They worry about minor things which can be solved with not much efforts. They will always have the feeling that something terrible is going to happen. They are not able to meet their goals. For one to know that they have GAD, they will have constant symptoms that do not go away no matter how hard they try to push them away. You will also know have GAD when you have other disorders that are related, such as when you have stress and depression, as well as when you not careful. People with GAD will find themselves including the drugs and their substance abuse. They may also experience